Welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, Ellie will be learning how to draw a lovely candle. Get yourself a pencil and pen, and we'll make a start. Remember to subscribe if you like this video and be the first to know when we add more. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. So, make sure you have everything you need and let's get going! Ready? Steady? Draw! Ellie starts off her lovely candle drawing by marking 2 vertical and symmetrical lines on her page. These lines are going to be the outline of our candle and should be the same length. Then, create an oval shape at the top, making sure you touch the top of the lines you just marked. Now you almost have your candle pillar. All that's left to do is mark 2 semicircles at the bottom, 1 smaller semicircle to join up your candle, and another bigger semicircle to create your candle holder. Don't forget to add a little spiral coming from the base of the holder you started. This is going to be the handle. What do you think we've forgotten? We can't leave out the flame. This is what will bring your candle to life. Start by drawing a straight line upwards from the top middle of your candle. This will be the wick. Finally, let's add the flame. You can do this by creating a tear or raindrop shape coming from the wick. Ellie's drawn her flame nice and neatly. But remember, fire can come in all different shapes and sizes. It's up to you if you want to get creative and make your flame as fiery as it can be. Woohoo! You've finished the basic sketch of your drawing. Well done! It's perfectly okay if you need to pause or rewind the video before we move on. Ellie will just wait until you catch up. Now we've completed the first part of our drawing. Did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel? Why don't you hit that subscribe button? It's time to pick up your pen and add some detail. In the next stage of the drawing, we're going to make the candle look like it's hot. Ellie's candle's been burning for a while. She's made sure she's included some squiggles around the top of the candle and running down the main part to show that the wax is melting and dripping down. You can choose to copy where Ellie's made her squiggles, or you can do something different. If you want to show that the candle has been burning for even longer than Ellie's, you might add some more squiggles and make the candle extra melted. Or, if the candle's only just been lit, you might just add 1 or 2 squiggles. It's all in your hands. Now we have to outline the candle holder. Draw 2 broken circles, just like Ellie's done, to create the shape of a plate. To finish off the handle, go over your spiral shape with the pen and add a straight line from the spiral out to touch the plate. Next, we have to finesse our flame. Ellie's creating a flame with a lovely sharp point at the top. You might have done the same, or you might have made your flame more fiery. Make sure you get a nice outline like Ellie's, however you've created your flame. To finish off, we're going to mark down a half smile shape at the very bottom of your wick, just like Ellie's done. This simple extra trick just brings your candle to life by making the wick look like it's deep down into the wax. And that's us! Well done for your spectacular effort! Why not grab some colouring pencils or pens and add some more life to your candle? You can even add a pattern to the holder. Or have a go at drawing another candle by yourself. If you enjoyed Ellie's video as much as we did, remember to subscribe. There'll be even more videos like this to come with loads of different things to draw and colour. We hope you've enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.